Hey everybody, welcome back to another In the Kitchen video. Today we're going to be making a yummy chicken salad. I don't know about you, but every summer I love making cold salads. Tuna salad, chicken salad, macaroni salad. I don't know, it's just something about salads in the summer that are refreshing. So today I want to make a chicken salad. And as you can see here, I'm chopping up some celery. I like the nice crunch of a good celery in a salad. You want to kind of dice the celery up so it's bite size. You don't want too big of chunks. Can make it hard to eat. Here I have a bag of already pre-cooked, kind of pre-chopped chicken breast. Might be actually a combination chicken breast, chicken thigh. Part of what inspired this recipe was having this chicken on hand. The pieces are still a little bit big though, so I'm going to go ahead and dice them up a little bit smaller. You know, the thing with a salad is you want all the ingredients to be kind of proportional. Everything kind of to be a little bit the same size. Okay, so now that I have my celery and my chicken put together, now it's time to add the binder. And here's the controversy. Miracle Whip or mayonnaise? I actually see here that I use Miracle Whip, which I actually like better. I think it provides a nice sweet tanginess. I know some people are definitely not Team Miracle Whip, and I don't use it on sandwiches. Well, let me correct. Drew doesn't like it on his sandwiches. I use it on my sandwiches. But when I'm making salads like this for the family, I go ahead and use Miracle Whip. He hasn't complained so far. So here I am kind of combining the Miracle Whip into the celery and chicken. Maybe should have used a little bit bigger bowl. Want to make sure you get everything coated. And I'm also trying to see if I need to add more Miracle Whip. Which I decided I do. It's a fine line, right? You don't want to add too much. You don't want it to be too gloppy or soupy. And now here I'm going to add some mustard, just some plain yellow mustard. I know you can get fancy and use Dijon or maybe a spiced mustard, but I'm going to keep it simple and use the just yellow mustard. Here I'm also adding a little bit of garlic oil for some flavor. And here I'm going to add some white wine vinegar. A little splash of this really helps add some acidity and some of that vinegary tang that I love in my summer salads. A little bit of salt. Here I'm going to be adding some onion powder because I didn't really add any fresh onion to the actual salad. Don't be fooled by the lid that says Italian seasoning. I know this was onion powder. Just had the wrong lid on it. Here I'm adding a little bit of celery salt. I learned the joy of celery salt when I started making my own ranch dips. It just kind of enhances that celery flavor without adding any extra, too much saltiness flavor. See how we have the flavors here. Just trying to see if I have all the seasonings balanced and, if I'm missing anything. Turns out this ended up pretty even. Tasted good. Of course, you want to stick it in the refrigerator to chill for a few hours before serving. And it really makes a fun summer dinner.